Hi, I'm Dave Baring, Technical Director here at TriStar, and welcome to another Ask the Expert segment. Today I'm wearing our question of the day on my shirt. What is the TriStar Advantage? This is something that our company talks a lot about with our customers, especially customers that we're first introducing ourselves to. The TriStar Advantage is really kind of what we build our company around, and it's really what we feel is the basis for why TriStar is different from the typical distributor, the typical fabricator of plastic materials. One of the things that we've always tried to do as we work with new customers and ongoing with old customers as well is continuously try and educate. If you've had a chance to go through our website, you understand that fact. If you look at our video library, you look at our blog, you look at our shooting stars, these are all meant to really educate you as a potential customer, as an existing customer, to new materials, to new applications, to unique new things that are happening in the plastics industry. And so a big part of what we do is educate. We come out to your site and do seminars. If you've got a group of engineers that may not know a lot about plastics, but your company is looking at making some wholesale changes or even some minor changes to your equipment where plastics might be appropriate, then that's really where we come into play. We've got a lot of experience on the staff in terms of engineering expertise, and so education is number one for us. Another thing that we offer that a lot of our competition doesn't offer is some science. Not only with our surface modification group, but just some of the technology that we have available within the company in terms of development, in terms of analysis. We can look at what you're using now and look at it in terms of a lot of different analytical devices that we have in our lab. And if need be, we can make modifications to the material. The other thing that we have a good understanding on is modification of processes and picking the right process to get the net result that you want. So science is another part of our expertise. Material and material selection. There are thousands and thousands of plastic materials. And so part of what we do for you as our partnership with you is that we help you to be sure that you select the right material the first time out. Now, that doesn't necessarily we're going to get it right the first time out, but we have a pretty good track record. And if we have all the known parameters, our capabilities as far as picking the right materials is pretty high percentage. So the other part of that material side is that many times a material that exists, even though there's thousands of them out there, there may be something we can do to tweak it just a little bit more to get you where you need to be. So materials and material development. Then from there on, we look at our production capabilities. We're not just a stock shapes distributor, although that's still a big part of who TriStar is. We're also a very large fabricator. We have a 40,000 square foot machining facility in Massachusetts. All we do all day long is machine plastics. We don't do metals. So our expertise is really in understanding plastics, how they're going to react during machining. And so whether it's a prototype or production, we have the equipment in-house to do exactly what you need to accomplish at a cost-effective way. We can also do, for very high volumes, we can also injection mold parts. So if the part is conducive to that, if the material is conducive to that, then we also have that capability that we can offer you. And beyond that, there's a lot of other fabrication that we do, stamping, bonding, a lot of secondary work that we can do, assembly work. It's just all part of the services that we offer through our TriStar Advantage. So when you hear our sales guys or anybody in our customer service talk about the TriStar Advantage, now you know what that means. We all have our shirts. It's on our website, and we hope you take advantage of the TriStar Advantage. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you on another Ask the Expert.